Petrol and diesel prices have been hiked today after a 19-day hiatus and right 2 days after the Karnataka election. Petrol in Delhi is at a 56-month peak and the price of diesel has crossed Rs 66 per litre for the first time to a new all-time high. Petrol prices are up 17 paise a litre in Delhi and Mumbai and 18 paise a litre in Kolkata and Chennai, according to the Indian Oil Corporation. Diesel prices have been raised by 21 paise a litre in Delhi, 5 paise in Kolkata and 23 paise in Mumbai and Chennai. Nimisha joins us for more on this, as Sohit and Nimisha from Delhi. Sohit in Mumbai. Nimisha, to you first, because Delhi has had record hikes. Tell us everything that you've learned and also what the people out there are saying as they've learned that this has happened 2 days after the Karnataka elections.
That's right, Amitosh. Petrol prices have gone up 17 paise, diesel prices have gone up 21 paise, and this does come after a 19-day hiatus. Of course, since June last year, prices have been revised. There's a new system where prices are revised every day, but for the last 19 days, the prices have stayed stable. There is, of course, speculation that this does have to do with the Karnataka elections because fuel prices depend very strongly on international crude oil prices for one and the US rupee dollar exchange rate for the other. And the rupee has fallen in the last 19 days, and the prices of crude oil per barrel as calculated in dollars has also gone up. So there are calculations saying that these state-owned companies may have absorbed losses of up to 500 crore rupees to keep these prices stable, which means that this is something that could have been a diktat coming in from the government. Of course, there's no clarity on that. But of course, it's worth noting also that last December, in the fortnight leading up to the Gujarat elections, prices were actually cut for 2 weeks, and right after the Gujarat elections, prices went up again, much like they have today. Consumers are definitely feeling the shock because oil companies now, the has come out is that they have been trying to control the price shock, but now finally the spike in prices is being passed on to consumers, and it is definitely a significant spike at that.
All right, Nimisha, thanks so much. Stay with us. Sohit also joining us from Mumbai. What's the situation like in Mumbai, Sohit?
Well, as expected, there has been a rise in price of petrol and diesel prices after the Karnataka elections. Currently, if you say in Mumbai, there has been a rise of around 17 paise in petrol, which makes it 82 rupees 68 paise in non-branded petrol, as well as around 85 rupees in branded petrol. And even the diesel prices have rose up to 25 paise. We speak to a few people to understand what they have to say in this entire thing, because when we have been speaking to people, they have been saying that they are angry because of this, because if you remember, the Indian Oil has said that they won't be increasing the petrol and diesel prices to ensure stability, and it happened on April 24, and what they said is that it is just mere coincidence that it is along with the Karnataka elections. We have some people with us. एक बार फिर से दाम बढ़ा दिए गए हैं, इसका कितना असर आपकी जेब पर भी पड़ता होगा?
अभी आम जनता को तो हमेशा की आदत पड़ गई है कि जब रात में बाइक खड़ी करो या गाड़ी खड़ा करो और सुबह आओ तो पता चलता है कि यहाँ पे पेट्रोल के और डीजल के दाम बढ़ गए हैं। अब ये तो ऐसी हो गया है कि शाम को जो बंदा हिसाब लेके चलता है, सुबह आओ पता चलता है कि उस हिसाब से हमको 100 रुपए 150 रुपए कुछ ज्यादा देने पड़ रहे हैं, तो उससे तो जनता एकदम परेशानी हो गई individual.
Well, as you hear them, people are angry due to a rise of petrol and diesel prices. In Mumbai, if you compare with other cities, you could see that there has been a more rise in the petrol and diesel prices, and the prices in Mumbai are comparatively quite high compared to other cities. And this is impacting the common man, and it is also impacting the cab-based drivers as well as other people. And due to the rise of petrol and diesel prices, there would be a rise in the increase of transport costs, and which will lead to much more problems to the common man who has to face because of the rise of petrol and diesel prices. So even the people in Mumbai are angry due to the rise of petrol and diesel prices after the Karnataka elections, because the last time it rose was on April 24th, and after the elections ended in Karnataka, there has been again an increase in the petrol and diesel prices.